working on a BMW 5 Series. The new 5 Series have an extremely wide pillar right here, so it's kind of difficult to two-stage this window. Look how big and thick these side moldings are. So when you're trying to two-stage it right here, a lot of installers get creases in this area right here. So with the Easy Tint, I was able to bottom load this and completely get a clean install with no creases. And it's kind of dirty, but you can see that I was able to get extremely close without removing any type of door panels or anything on this BMW 5 Series. Look how close I can get. All right, there we go. Compliments of the Easy Tint, available at XPEL.com.